Hold up. This is not my car. What the heck? What's good, YouTube? We're back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see, I'm whipping Subaru Outback. It's turbo, auto, but a nice little daily. Shout out to my boy Eric. He's letting me borrow it while my SI is getting a wheel alignment. But yeah, so the SI is getting a wheel alignment. I haven't really updated you guys much on the SI. I actually just got Godspeed mono SS coilovers put on it, SPC Rear camber arms, and my wheels. I'll be showing you guys that later on when I pick up the car. But I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I'm doing today. Let's get into the video. Peekaboo. This is what we're doing today, guys. Messing with the quad. My boy Hermes right here. Yeah. But yeah, today, carburetor change, timing tensioner change, and it should be 100% now. I haven't really showed off the quad much, but yeah, this is the new carb. That's the new adjustable tensioner. I picked this up for a steal and basically rebuilt it. But yeah, I gotta give you guys a rundown on the build. Still haven't really done that. Shout out my boy Jose. He got me that little tag at the LZ World Tour. But yeah, I'm gonna get into this right now. Trying to get the front wheel off. They were hard to put on, so right now just trying to get them off. But today we're gonna be doing the front brakes. I got some 3 pads, 1 for the rear, and then 2 for the front. Some Tusk brake pads, an adjustable idle carb from Amazon, and then an adjustable timing chain tensioner from Amazon as well, from this brand. I got my starter solenoid from this brand and my air intake filter from this brand. This was the box from the carburetor, and we're also hopefully gonna do a brake fluid change or whatever. Can't think right now. But yeah, these are the new wheels, new tires. Nice. One wheel is off. Calipers off. 2 bolts right there. And then these little guys from in here. Brake pads are shot, but we got the Tusk ones on deck.
These are stuck. See the other one. Whew.
Well, the bike is from 2000.
Yeah, you can't hit them too hard. You want to fucking strip that. So, you gotta get
some new Tusk tie rod ends on each side. All right, guys, so Hermes is about to explain what he just did.
Yeah, all you gotta do is take these 4 bolts apart, then the flow comes off. Let me show you actually the other one. The old one looked like this, so it had all the bolts stripped, so we just have to, that's why we got a new carburetor. We just have to swap the jets to the new one, which is basically this. This is what you want to be swapping. The idle jet is the same, but the main jet is what you want to swap. It's a 140 stock, and now it's a 158. So that's where the power is, guys.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Then now you just got to put the cable right here, this mechanism. Then this is how you adjust the idle, and this is the fuel pump right here. So just put everything back together, put it on the bike, and then take it for a spin.
Awesome. New throttle cable. I picked it up at the time when I picked up my new clutch cable, but now the new carb is in with the new throttle cable already on and adjusted on there. Now we're about to do the timing chain tensioner, and we're gonna get right into it, guys. Also, these are the wheels that came on the bike. Some hole shots. I'm gonna change them back because I'm gonna use these for the street, because these are my brand new set of wheels and tires, and I sort of don't want to continue to chew them up on the street. So we're just gonna switch these off and use these for the trail, and these for the street / break-in period, basically. And then whenever I'm ready to start going on the trail, throw these back on, bring these as backup, because you never know, you might get a flat. But yeah, making moves. All right, guys, so that's the original tensioner right in there. He's just getting that one off because I have to go do a full breakdown video on the bike, but we did a White Skull piston and a new head on here because I bought it with a messed up piston. And I also, when I bought the kit, it came with stage 2 hot cam. So now we're getting some, like, what would you say, like a piston slap, or what is it, like chain?
No, the chain, the tensioner can't keep up with it.
So it doesn't keep up with it. So I ended up ordering this one.
But, yeah.
And now it should be able to, like, keep up with it, I guess you could say.
Yeah, manual tension is better. Keeps the tension on more.
So Hermes is doing it right now. Right in there. Taking off the old gasket.
There you go.
Boom, off. Now the new tensioner got to go on. Here's the old one.
Very simple.
Remember the gasket, guys. Remember the gasket.
Yeah. A little bit tight.
Tight squeeze in there. I'll just show you guys after when it's done. As for the front brakes, can't get them. So there's two covers right here. These two like screw covers or whatever. They go in here to cover up these, I guess you could say Allen keys, which would release these brake pads. They're pretty stuck on there, so we're gonna need some heat, but today we're not prepared for that, so that's why we couldn't finish that. But we're ready. We just need some heat on there. Worst case scenario, I would probably have to get new calipers, but that's the update on the brakes. But yeah, sadly we couldn't do that today, but another day. And then I also got the Tusk tie rod ends on there, so that's good. But I'll just keep you guys updated with what's going on. Gas tank going back on.
Now we'll adjust the idle and the chain tensioner too.
She jumpy.
Here we go, cold start. See that right there? Just put the gas down. I don't have any zip ties, bro. That should be gas. I actually put it on reservoir. Let's see.